welcome back to our channel. This video is a morning motivation video. I was feeling like I was going to get a lot of things done, so I decided to record it and take you guys along with me. The start to every morning is I always open up the blinds. Honestly, I'm making sure that there's no weird animals or anything weird out back that Violet and Chapo might get into, and then let them go potty first thing in the morning. And then there's a delay in Violet because she is looking for her favorite toy to play with. Well, her favorite toy for the day. So you'll see she thinks she found one, dropped it, and found something better. And then it's on to coffee. I've never seen this before, but I feel like it's a good idea because I know with Keurigs I've seen things about mold buildup, so I always run just an empty cycle through of water, and I feel like the hot water is maybe cleaning some things out in there. I don't know if it's pointless, but I do this every morning. And then I have been keeping up on my little date thing. It's become part of the routine. So Wednesday, September 29th, I was feeling productive this day. So I haven't done a pantry video yet. I keep putting it off, but you just got a sneak peek of it. For my coffee, I switch off between the Krispy Kreme brand and then the Starbucks blonde roast. I think the Krispy Kreme one is my favorite. And then right here in the scoops, I do the Dose & Co. dairy-free collagen creamer, and then some chocolate chips. And then I run that coffee over it and it melts it all together. And then I do give it a little stir, and then you'll see what I do next because I turn all this into iced coffee. Then I always keep this glass of water with me. I'm sure you've seen it in other videos, but I always keep water with me all day and then fill it up all throughout the day. And then it's time to feed the dogs, and you'll see Violet every morning sits here by her food and waits till I'm ready to feed her. And then Chapo, you'll see, is just as excited as she is, if not more excited for food. I really wasn't going to record this part, and to be honest, this was going to be my fall decorating video, which I'm going to be doing later on in this day. This is the start of my day, but I decided, you know what, I'm going to show you what my morning is looking like. So here's a scoop of pre-workout, and then I'm going to do a little workout in the backyard in a while. And then my fall video will be on Wednesday. So then, just like my keeping up with the dates, I've been trying to keep up. This is a countdown until our wedding, and you'll see I didn't end up changing it because there wasn't a 5, but it's 45 days until the wedding. I kind of fell off of working out. I don't know, got lazy or got caught up in all the wedding planning, and so today I'm getting back to it. And why I decided to keep this in the video is I figure there's probably a lot of people too that start getting into a good workout routine, and then if you're like me, you fall off and then you quit, and it ends up going by a month, 2 months, a week, whatever it might be. And this is my motivation of get back to it. It's just, this is what I'm doing is a 30-minute workout. I was supposed to, in my head, I thought, okay, I'm going to run for 30 minutes and then I'm going to like lift weights or something for 15 minutes or so. Well, it ended up I could only last running for about 15 minutes and then I worked out for the rest of the 15 minutes. So just telling you, something is better than nothing. And you'll see Violet and Chapo also got a workout. So let me be your motivation to get back to your workout routine if you did fall off. So like I said, I'm getting ready to decorate for fall, and I always do Thanksgiving and Halloween decorations together. So if you're interested in that, I will be posting that video on Wednesday of how I decorate my house, and I do go a little cheesy with it. And then now I did get a grocery order delivery from Walmart right before I was getting ready to go in the shower, and so I'll show you that if you're nosy like I am and want to know what people order. So ground beef, ground turkey, chicken, eggs, half and half for mashed potatoes, cream cheese, feta cheese, raviolis, spring mix, basil, some hot peppers, jalapenos, bacon, egg whites, strawberries, chocolate chips, that's what I put in my coffee, potatoes for some baked potatoes, onion. They gave me 2 jalapenos, which I was planning to do jalapeno poppers, but can't do much with 2. Broccoli, avocados, bananas, some cotton rounds, corn, tomato sauce, and diced tomatoes, which in my next video I am going to be making raviolis and meatballs. That's like my go-to easy dinner that's really filling. So that'll be in the fall decorating video. So at this point I have showered, behind me. I'll show you at the end of this. I'm making a breakfast sandwich, and then this is my coffee I make every morning. It's that almond creamer, and then I just pour in that coffee with the chocolate chips and the collagen creamer. I pour that in there and then drink that with my breakfast, which I'm sure I'll end up showing what I make for breakfast. It's just a breakfast sandwich. It's my go-to. I'm sure everyone knows how to make a breakfast sandwich, but it might give you an idea, so I'll share that in a future video. But this was a short one. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more.